In the whirlwind of modern life, maintaining a balanced diet often takes a backseat to hectic schedules and endless to-do lists. Yet, fueling our bodies with nutritious meals is paramount for optimal health and vitality. For the busy bees buzzing through their days, finding time to prepare wholesome dishes can feel like an insurmountable challenge. But fear not! In this article, we unveil 3 game-changing nutrition hacks tailored specifically for the on-the-go crowd. From quick breakfast fixes to effortless dinner solutions, we've got you covered with simple, delicious, and nourishing meal ideas that seamlessly fit into your busy lifestyle. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Quick and healthy meal idea. 1. Breakfast on the go. Mornings are notorious for their mad dash, leaving breakfast as an afterthought for many of us. But skipping breakfast means missing out on a vital opportunity to kickstart our metabolism and fuel our bodies for the day ahead. Enter our first nutrition hack: overnight oats with fruit and nuts. This breakfast solution is as effortless as it is delicious. Picture this. Before hitting the hay, you simply mix oats with your milk of choice, dairy or non-dairy. Toss in your favorite toppings like sliced fruits or crunchy nuts, seal it in a jar, and pop it into the fridge. As you catch your Z's, the oats work their magic, soaking up the liquid and flavors, transforming into a creamy, dreamy concoction by morning. What's fantastic about overnight oats is their versatility. Whether you're a fan of classic flavors like cinnamon and apple, or prefer to jazz it up with exotic fruits and superfood toppings, the possibilities are endless. Plus, they're a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. But the real magic of overnight oats lies in their convenience. In the morning rush, who has time to cook? With these pre-prepared jars of goodness waiting for you in the fridge, breakfast becomes as simple as grab and go. No cooking, no mess, just wholesome nutrition to fuel your day. And let's not forget the time-saving aspect. By prepping your breakfast the night before, you reclaim precious minutes in the morning. Whether you use that time for a few extra winks of sleep or a mindful moment to savor your oats, the choice is yours. So say goodbye to breakfast FOMO and hello to a hassle-free morning routine with overnight oats. With this simple yet satisfying meal hack, you'll never have to sacrifice nutrition for convenience again. Next up, quick and healthy meal idea. 2. Office lunch made easy. The midday hunger strike is a familiar foe, especially during those hectic workdays when time seems to slip through our fingers like sand. But fear not, dear lunchtime warriors, for we have a mighty weapon in our arsenal: quinoa salad with vegetables and protein. Now, what makes this lunchtime hero so special? Let's break it down. Firstly, there's quinoa, pronounced quinoa. This ancient grain is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. It's also gluten-free, making it an excellent option for those with dietary restrictions. Next up, the vegetables. Think colorful bell peppers, crunchy cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and any other veggies your heart desires. Not only do they add a burst of flavor and texture to your salad, but they also provide a plethora of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to keep you feeling vibrant and energized. And let's not forget about the protein. Whether you opt for grilled chicken, tofu, chickpeas, or even hard-boiled eggs, adding a source of protein to your salad helps to keep hunger at bay and promotes muscle repair and growth. But perhaps the best thing about quinoa salad is its versatility. You can customize it to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs, swapping in your favorite veggies, proteins, and dressings to create endless flavor combinations. Now, here's where the magic happens. Prep ahead. Spend a little time on Sunday afternoon chopping veggies, cooking quinoa, and grilling chicken or tofu. Then, assemble individual servings in containers and stash them in the fridge. When hunger strikes at the office, simply grab a container and voila! You have a nutritious, satisfying meal ready to enjoy. So say goodbye to sad desk lunches and hello to quinoa salad with vegetables and protein. With this quick and healthy meal idea, you'll conquer your midday hunger and power through the rest of your workday, feeling nourished and unstoppable. Lastly, quick and healthy meal. Idea 3, dinner in a flash. After a long day of hustling and bustling, the last thing you want to do is spend hours slaving away in the kitchen. But fear not, weary warriors, for we have a dinner solution that's as easy as it is delicious. One pan roasted vegetables with lean protein. Picture this: A colorful array of vegetables, from sweet potatoes to broccoli to bell peppers, tossed with olive oil, herbs, and spices, then roasted to perfection alongside your choice of lean protein, be it chicken breast, salmon fillets, or tofu. The result? A mouth-watering meal that's bursting with flavor and nutrition, all cooked on a single pan for minimal cleanup. Now, let's talk about the nutritional benefits of this meal. First off, the vegetables. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Plus, roasting them brings out their natural sweetness and enhances their flavor, making them irresistible even to the pickiest of eaters. And then there's the lean protein. Whether you're a carnivore, pescatarian, or vegetarian, there's an option to suit your tastes and dietary preferences. Not only does protein help to build and repair muscle tissue, but it also helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing late-night snack attacks. But perhaps the best thing about one-pan dinners is their simplicity. With just a few ingredients and minimal prep work, you can have a wholesome, homemade meal on the table in no time. And because everything cooks together on the same pan, there's virtually no cleanup required. Just toss the pan in the dishwasher and you're done. So bid farewell to takeout and hello to one-pan dinners. With this quick and healthy meal idea, you can enjoy a delicious, nutritious meal without spending hours in the kitchen. It's dinner made easy, so you can relax and unwind after a busy day, knowing that you've nourished your body and satisfied your taste buds with minimal effort. Here are some additional tips for busy individuals. Now that you've got 3 quick and healthy meal ideas under your belt, let's sprinkle in some extra tips to make your busy life a little easier. First up, meal prepping. Spend a bit of time on the weekend chopping veggies, cooking grains, and prepping proteins to streamline your meals throughout the week. It's a game changer. Next, remember the importance of balance. Aim to include a variety of foods from all food groups in your meals to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. And don't forget portion control. Eating mindfully can help prevent overeating and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. Lastly, keep healthy snacks on hand to curb cravings and prevent impromptu trips to the vending machine. Think nuts, fruits, yogurt, or veggie sticks with hummus. With these simple tips in your arsenal, you'll be mastering the art of healthy eating, even in the midst of your busiest days. Conclusion: in the hustle and bustle of modern life, maintaining a healthy diet can feel like a daunting task. But armed with these quick and nutritious meal ideas, you're equipped to conquer even the busiest of days without sacrificing your health. So let's make a pact. Prioritize nourishing your body with wholesome foods, even when time is tight. Start incorporating these meal hacks into your routine today and experience the difference they can make in your energy levels, productivity, and overall well-being. Here's to delicious, effortless meals that fuel your success. Cheers to a healthier, happier you.